Magandang umaga, magandang hapon at magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Ito po ang inyong lingkod, si JomarX lulong na. And today, we'll be reviewing the HanDi Tiger Assault Rifle. But, there's wood. This is pistolized with the carbine kit. It looks like this. This is my pistol, a real one, with the carbine kit. Ta-da! Rails for sights. So this is basically the same idea. A PDW. This unit is made in nylon construction, which is nice. It has a working prime magazine, which is the same with the Tech-9. This unit is basically same, slightly longer barrel, with prime magazine prime. See, listen. Oh, here. And the battery release is here. Same with the magazine with that one. I'm really loving the HanDi ecosystem. It also have a very nice with the heft hand stop with, where's the camera? Yeah. Carbon design. Carbon-like design, see? It's cute. Oops. Yeah, put it here. No, it's only for that one. Trades only the assault rifle. Features, it has a prime, it has a working blowback. So cute. It has a, I like it here because it's for the left-handed one. See? Full auto, semi, safe. So nice. It has a red dot sight. Move this one. Red. See? Red. It's fine. It's free. So, can be useful. The real con on this one is that this is not folding. It will be, maybe for children it's fine. This is a kid's gel blaster. See, hold. Pull out. So, good. Again, battery space is limited only to this one. Very limited, non-upgradable, but fixable. BB capacity, quite, because of the long mag, so quite a lot. Weight, and this feels heavier and more flimsy. This one, not much. Okay. So this one is better. FPS, it's as usual 100 plus FPS. This is a kid's blaster, so it won't be that high. It's using this connection, which is, I'm really happy because my Tech-9 hop-up fits. Ta-da! Aha! So this one is now a viable gel blaster, and it's light, so you can do running. Nice one. And last but not the least, since this is using the Tech-9, HanDi standard, this looks much better. Let's turn it on. But there's no, so the Muffler Moisturizer. Ching, ching. I'm really enjoying this one. So if you have the extra cash, get the MK6 or the unit that have this one. This is really wonderful. I really like it. I'm really enjoying that one. That air soap, sights, muffler, flashlight. HanDi is really making the easy to accessorize. For 1,000 something, 1,500, 1,300. As far as I know, the price got reduced. So this is very affordable. It's a good kids blaster. It's light. It looks unique. It has blowback. It has prime mag. And if you have a Tech 9, it's basically an extra mag. Same battery in their ecosystem. Overall, it's fine. It's nice. I think it's very nice to accessorize. Just a side red dot side here and fake and Peck 9, Peck 1, Peck I forgot. This will look much better. Overall, highly recommended. You can find the link in the description. It's very affordable, so it's not a very difficult decision when adding this to your collection. I keep buying. Stop from the blasters. God help me. Anyhow, if you have any questions, suggestions, violent reactions, put it down in the comment section down below and I'll answer it as soon as possible. Hanggang sa muli. Paalam! Ching!